Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my dear students. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, you all are healthy at home. So my dear students, welcome to my Arabic class. As you know, today is a Saturday and we will send you a Arabic video and PDF, right? And I hope you all students, my dear students, you all are write down every exercises and everything whatever we send in the PDF, you write down in your CW of Arabic. Okay, so as you know that we completed this lesson in our live classes with the exercise, but then also we send you a video that some students if miss the live classes because of genuine reason like network problem or net problem, anything, so they can see this video and learn it properly. So as you can see on your screen, page number 50 and lesson number 10. Ad-Darsul Ashiru, lesson number 10. Al-Wazaif. Wazaif means professions. See, you know in English what you call doctor, engineer, nurse, teacher, okay, air hostess, pilot, but do you know what you say in Arabic these professions? What is the name of these professions in Arabic? Okay, have we called it in Arabic? So in this lesson there is lots of professions name in Arabic also and in English also. So my dear students, see in your textbook or you can see on your screen. Man anta, who are you? Ana mudarrisun, I am a teacher. Man anti, who are you? Ana mudarrisatun, I am a teacher. As I explain you lots of time this thing, that is, so what is different between both question? If you are watching like this, you can see the same sentence, same question in both, but there is a very little different, very small difference. That first question is with the fatha of ta, means zabar with the ta, and second one is kasra with the ta. So you can see the different and why they are giving first question with the zabar and second with zir, because first question they ask for a male and second for a female, right? So mudarrisun for a male and mudarrisatun for a female. Now third one, man huwa, who is he? Huwa muhasibun, he is an accountant. Man hiya, who is she? Hiya mumarrizatun, she is a nurse. Man Muhammad, who is Muhammad? Muhammadun tabibun, Muhammad is a doctor. As you can see here, there is a picture of every profession person. First one for a teacher, second also teacher for a feminine, third one is accountant who is doing some kind of work on a laptop or computer, right? Then mumarrizatun means nurse and doctor, you can see them also. Now see the page, other page number 51. Now you can see here al kalimat means words. What is this? This is the profession's name in Arabic and in English, and it is very necessary and important to memorize, that it is helpful to you to speak also, it is helpful to you in exam also, beta. So you have to learn, memorize this word meaning, profession's name, okay? I read once that you can pronounce properly Arabic. Muzifatun, air hostess. Mushrifun, supervisor. Tayyarun, pilot. Muhandisun, engineer. Tabbakun, cook. Mukabilun, contractor. Rassamun, artist or draftsman. Saikun, driver. Muharrirun, editor. Harisun, guard. Now see page number 52. Mudirun, principal, or you can say the manager. See, if you want to say this word for a feminine, so you can use mudiratun. As you know, our principal name is Razia ma'am, right? So you can't use mudirun for her. You can use mudiratun with the goal ta, okay? Shurtiyun, policeman. Mushaggalun, operator. If you can't see proper this word in a video, you can see in your textbook. Nazirul Madrasati, headmaster. Khayyatun, tailor. Najjarun, carpenter. Khadimatun, housemaid. That this word for a feminine. If you want to use for a masculine, that time you use khadimun. Wakilun, under secretary. Safirun, ambassador. Tajirun, trader. Right? See the page number 53. At-tadribatu means exercises. Here they are giving us a 15 to 16 sentences in English. We have to translate it in Arabic. Okay? So, tarjim ilal Arabiyyati, translate into Arabic. Now see, who is he? For a he we use huwa. For a who we use man. Interrogative word, question word. Man huwa. He is a doctor. First of all, for a doctor, what we use? Tabibun. For a he, we use before this also huwa. So, huwa tabibun. Huwa tabibun. Now, who are you? Man anta. Who are you? Man anta. I am a teacher. Ana mudarrisun. Ana mudarrisun. For a male. For a female, mudarrisatun. Who is she? She we use here. For a she we use here. And for a who we use man. So man here. Who is she? She is a nurse. Here mumarrizatun. Here mumarrizatun. She is a teacher. Here mudarrisatun. Here mudarrisatun. I am an air hostess. Ana muzifatun. Ana muzifatun. He is a contractor. He is a contractor. Huwa mukawilun. Huwa mukawilun. I am an editor. Ana muharrirun. Ana muharrirun. Then 11 number, he is a driver. Huwa sa'ikun. Huwa sa'ikun. Khalid is a draftsman. Khalidun rassamun. Khalidun rassamun. Rashida is a teacher. Rashidatun mudarrisatun. Rashidatun mudarrisatun. Any feminine name you can write down with the golta, or some of the name you write down with the ya khada zabar. Okay. Ahmad is a trader. Ahmadun tajirun. Ahmadun tajirun. Jabir is a policeman. Jabirun shurtiyun. Jabirun shurtiyun. Now exercise number 2. Tarjim ilal injliziyati. Tarjim ilal injliziyati means translate into English. Here they are giving us some of the sentence in Arabic. We have to translate it in English. Huwa khayyatun. He is a tailor. Here naziratun. She is a principal, or you can say head ma'am. Anta safirun. You are an ambassador. Abi muhandisun. My father is an engineer. Akhi tabibun. My brother is a doctor. Now see another page. See here I write down with the pencil that name. You have to write down in your textbook. See, this exercise is also we did in our live classes with the pencil, right? Any time if you write any exercise in your textbook, that time you have to use only a pencil. Now Sammiswar means name the pictures. You can see first picture is a cook. So we call what we call cook in Arabic tabbakun. You can see here tabbakun, right? Now see this picture. This is the air hostess, right? So what we called it in Arabic? Muzifatun. Muzifatun. Now you can see here the picture of tailor, right? So we write down in Arabic khayyatun. Khayyatun. Now you can see here picture of policeman. So what we called it in Arabic? Shurtiyun. Shurtiyun. Now you can see here the picture of pilot. So what we called it in Arabic? Tayyarun. Tayyarun. Okay. So this is the name, the picture. You have to write down only in your CW, and PDF I will send you. You have to write down in your CW and learn it properly. Memorize every profession name in Arabic also. You all are understood, beta? My dear students, if you have any kind of doubt in translation, grammar points, anything regarding your lesson, you can ask me in our live classes. I will explain you again. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and dua for everyone to peaceful life. Assalamu alaikum.